Alright, so we're going to include a poster on our assignment. And we'll show you how to do that in the Google Docs in the classroom. Let's go and create. We're going to create a drawing. It's going to add the drawing to your assignment, and then it's going to open it up. And let's say I wanted to do the digestive system. Okay, and that's what I'm going to do. You'll have a choice of what you want to do. So what we have here, we named it. You know, if you want to get rid of the cursor, click somewhere over here on the side. So this is our toolbars. The ones that we're going to be working with the most would be the insert. And if you do not see this up here, then know that you can do the same thing with these right here. This is your undo, redo. You will do, this is the pointer for selecting things when you want to get rid of it. This is if you want to insert a line. If you click down here, it'll give you all kinds of cool lines you can use. You want to draw an arrow. Okay. This one is shapes. If you want to put some shapes in there, you can do that. And all you do is you select it, drag it, and draw it. This one is an image. We'll get to that later. And this one is the text box. So now, if you wanted to do something, if you draw a line, you want to color it. This is what is the fill color. You can click on your, make sure that you click on your shape, and you can fill it. Alright, this is the border color. So with this clicked on, I can actually change the border color to light green. And from here is the border weight where we can make it bigger and thicker. Alright, some other things you can do is you can move it. So now that I've clicked off of it, it's not selected. There's no boxes around it. If I click on it and I say, oh, I want to turn it around, move it, your cursor, till you get this mark, and you can flip it around. It works the same with images. Well, what if you say I made something and I want to get rid of it? So you click on it, and you can either hit the delete button. You hit the delete button on your computer. Alright, so now what do we say? I'm going to do the digestive system. So I need an image. So I can go over here, or I can go to insert. I'm going to go to here, image, and I want to get it off the web. So let's see, I'm going to search the web. You see over here, search for images. So I want a basic picture of the human body. So let's see, I'm going to say, digestive system. Okay, now you have one label, but I want to make it so that it is, I want to be able to label it. So let's say I take one that's not labeled and find a good one. This one right here. Well, that was labeled, so I don't want that one. And we don't want to insert that, so I'm going to say no. I'm going to pick this one, because this one's not labeled. And it's going to create the image, and it's going to put it over there. So now, what I can do is I can go ahead and I can label it, and I can tell all about it and what it is. Like you see this right here. What is this right here? This is the stomach. So I want to tell you it's the stomach. So I'm going to put stomach. I may need a line to point to it. So let's click on it. Let's say I want to make it a box. So let's have, and we can also do some highlighting here. We might want it a little bit bigger. A little bit bigger, even bigger. Oh, that looks good. You got over here, now you have your text color. Let's make this red. I I can also put this, I can also do a fill color. That's red with this light blue. And I can put a box around it if I like. Change the border color to black. Alright. And then I'll make a line again with the weight. You can make it weighted. Ooh,